green. Going green means that you're invested in changing some of your lifestyle habits to promote a better, healthier world for tomorrow. I've been involved in trying to raise environmental awareness here on campus at ASU with the Student Government Association for the past 2 years. Because the scary fact is that our ozone layer is deteriorating at a rapid rate, and this threatens our Earth's environment as well as it prevents dangers to our health. I believe that this greatly affects us because of the impact on our health and the future generations to come. Therefore, I will begin by describing the current state of our ozone layer and the health hazards that result from the damage caused due to the hole in the ozone. Next, I will provide a few examples of some community programs that seek to educate and enable the community toward going green. I will conclude with providing a few examples on how you can change your daily life to incorporate green habits. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, since the hole in the ozone layer opened in 1980, it can be as large as the United States. This allows harmful rays to enter into our Earth's atmosphere, which can cause numerous health risks, including skin cancer and cataracts. And according to the EPA, treatment for cataracts alone has cost taxpayers $6.8 billion. A more visible example of the effects of pollution on our Earth's environment is smog. During the 2008 Olympics in Beijing, U.S. cyclist Adam Craig was astounded by the amount of smog in China. Paraphrasing his words, he said that he felt like he was unable to provide his lungs with a sufficient amount of oxygen. He said that it felt like he was drowning and that it was a terrifying and unique situation. So with that comes asthma problems and various lung issues that can be very serious. With the problem of the growing hole in our ozone layer in mind, many people throughout the world have formed organizations and programs to help with raising awareness to communities on how they can come together to promote Earth-friendly habits. Some examples of community-based organizations that have made a difference I will provide. According to the greenstudentu.com, the University of Portland has a student organization that runs an organic garden, which grows vegetables that provides food for the cafeteria. The Santa Monica School District held a Bike It Day, which sought to promote alternate means of transportation to school. This encouraged students to walk or bike to school, or if they couldn't, to carpool. And this was a proven success, with the use of alternate means of transportation increasing in the following year. Lastly, in the city of Frisco here in Texas, they're promoting green living this Earth Day with an event called Clean It and Green It. This program gets together organizations in the community that form groups to go out and clean the community and also educate each other on how they can go green. These programs help to promote habit changes. I will provide a few small changes that you can make to become more environmentally friendly. Recycling is one of the more popular ways to go green, and it is important to always utilize recycling bins when available. The World Watch Institute shares a few ways to go green through a more environmentally conscious use of household appliances. Simply turning your thermostat a few degrees warmer in the summer and a few degrees cooler in the winter helps, as well as washing your laundry with cold water whenever possible. And also, turn off your lights and replace your bulbs with more energy-efficient bulbs. All of these habits help with the environment as well as save you costs on electricity. Next, the city of Austin has banned the distribution of plastic bags. Well, I don't think that St. Angelo is heading in that direction. I think it's important for you to remember to bring your reusable shopping bags. This saves you the mess and the trash of the plastic bags, and it also helps with the environment. If you do forget your reusable bags, remember that your plastic bags can be recycled and used as trash can liners. Finally, according to the Union of Concerned Scientists, transportation is the largest single source of pollution in the United States. So I'd like to encourage you to use alternate means of transportation as much as possible. While walking and biking may be out of the question, for sure, for some, carpooling is an excellent alternative and one that will save you gas money and also allow you more time on campus. So in conclusion, we as Americans, and more specifically college students, should cultivate habits that will contribute to our Earth's health and well-being for future generations through education and community outreach. I've described to you the dangers facing our environment and health. I've described various programs that help to promote education and community outreach, and I've provided a few examples on how you can change your daily routine to be more earth-friendly. In a global effort to combat damage to our environment, to our fragile Earth, I believe it is increasingly important we come together to improve our environment for a better tomorrow. With Earth Day rapidly approaching, I would like to challenge everyone to become more environmentally conscious and make a few lifestyle changes that will help make our Earth a better place for tomorrow.